Alright guys, welcome back to episode 3 of the KZ400 Cafe Racer build. Nothing really changed since last video, got some more parts in, but gonna start working on the seat frame today, get something outlined for the seat and maybe build some supports. I don't know if I'll get around to welding in this video, but hopefully we'll get at least this progress done. Okay, so this is where I cut the frame. This width is for what I need for this end here. They'll sit there. And then what I think I'll do is just start working the pipe and tubing around here, get these bends going. Got this little bender I've had for years, never really used it, but we'll give it a go and see how it turns out. I got the subframe welded up, still need to grind everything, but have the bends going like that and inside a little bit. the frame hoop I had was a lot thinner than the pipe I had and way too big of a bend. So I just decided to make my own with what my pipe bender allowed me to do. But see, it'll be up here. You can see the frame a little bit, and then I'll do some kind of light down there. Still gotta do some brackets for the seat, and this will be higher because it's just dropped down like that for now. But yeah, I got the main part of the fabbing done with the subframe. So I've got my own DIY exhaust kit. I'm gonna probably try to do the bends coming up here, out through here, some on both sides. So I'm gonna have to do mounts for the exhaust, mounts for the seat here. But yeah, starting to come together. Alright, that's gonna be it for episode 3. Got the subframe all done, still gotta do all the grinding. Next episode, maybe start working on the exhaust and all the mounts for that and the seat mounts, but that's the main part is done with the fabbing. Now just kind of finishing up the little things and start working on making it prettier.